to another video. Today we're going to be mounting some coilovers on my BMW E60 525 sedan. And I have bought some used FK coilovers actually. We got them all washed up and I mounted them together. So now they are like all good. We just need to use the top hats from the original suspension in the front, and then it will be all good. The reason why I'm installing coilovers is because the car is way too soft as it is right now. I need it to be stiffer so it will handle and ride better, and then, or more sporty. I mean, soft is good for comfort, but it will be much sportier with harder suspension, so it will be better for me when I'm going drifting and using this like as a daily drifter. And we will also get rid of the hideous space we got between the wheel arch right here. I mean, you can literally fit a shoe in here, and that's not good. So today we're going to get this much lower so it will be looking nice and good. Remember to subscribe and like the video, and also put on that notification bell so you don't miss a video. And now, time to go to the shop. We have no time to waste. Let's go! We got the car on the lift, and I have actually already swapped one side so I can learn how to do it, so I can teach you guys how to do it. So this is how it looks right now with it installed, and this is how it looks stock. What you have to do is actually loosen these two bolts and nuts you have right there. Then this bracket will come loose and you can just get that out of the way. You should take some like penetrating oil or stuff like that first to let them like really soak in that, so it's easier to loosen. Then after you have done that, I loosened the three top bolts under the hood right there. And after I've done that, okay, now I got help from a mechanic, and we use this long pry bar right there. We put it in there, so I could push down like that. So that's how you solve that. I didn't even needed to take out like the fender lining or inner lining or whatever you call it. And now I have put the tool, like I said, in here behind right there. So now it should be good. Yeah, it's out. So now we just need that top hat you see right here in front of me, and we're gonna put that on the new coilover, and then we're gonna install it again. So yeah, I'm using more time than I thought I would, but yeah, we have progress. It's good. Okay, so now we are going to mount the top mount, which is original and came from my E60. I'll take off this. I will lower the coilover a bit, because you see we don't have that much threads right here. I was kind of worried that the coilovers would be seized since I bought these used, but the threads are actually pretty good, so I'm happy with that. And I paid actually 80 euros for these only, but I know these are not super expensive. New, I think they're like 300 bucks or 350 bucks or something like that. So yeah, they're not the best, but probably not the worst either. Okay, now we got a lap. Okay, Now we got that on. Then we take the nut on here gently. And then we just need a power tool which has a lot of speed, just real fast, because if you just do this in normal speed, this will just go along and it will not tighten it at all. So it's no point in having a wrench and just standing like this. No point. So we need some speed. This little thing, oh, it's really powerful. Ah, damn it. Think that's good? Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Now, this is ready. Okay, now I do have the tool right there. I have it already there, so it's not that much tension in here. So it's much easier to install the coilover. Now we're going to just clean the surface areas. Here we have the coilover. We can simply put it in place. Now it should be real easy to just, yeah, it fits right in there. Then we have to lift it up for these to be long enough, because the coilover is much shorter than the OEM one. Okay, so we're going to take this bolt right there and then put this on. There we go. Okay, we got it all bolted up there. We got the bracket on right there again, and we got the bracket on right there. But for now, I think we're actually done in the front, both sides. So that's exciting. Here you also see the front. So yeah, all done. Now it's time to attack the rear. Yeah, I think it's quite simple. I don't really know, but we're going to try. It's actually here. You see the shock we're going to remove right there, and there, that's a bolt right there which you have to take off. Looks like this. The way I did it, socket. So after I have taken off the bolts, the one bolt on each side, then I will take the three on top, and you do that by entering into the trunk. And I will show you where that is also, and then I think it should just come loose, but I don't think it will be that easy, but hopefully it will. Here, take off this part right there, and here. So that's that for me. Deilig! A top tip for you guys. When you're mounting the back again, when you're installing them, you don't need to remove the inner lining. Like I said in here, it's okay, you don't need to do that. You can just, like, I loosen some bolts and I just pull it out. But to mount it again, it's much easier to mount the tops first. Just pull it up there, mount the tops, and now we're gonna mount this one. I mounted the lower one on the other side, and that was much harder to make those fit. So pro tip, mount the upper ones first. I mean, it's very logical because that is the final thing I removed. So that should be the first thing you begin with again. But yeah, I'm not a mechanic, so I don't think that way, but I learned it now. So learn by my mistakes, because I've used seriously over an hour on the other one. I'm exhausted. Okay, now we just need to mount that to that. You see right here, right there, that needs to go in there. So I'm using a transmission jack to raise the car. There we go. Then we need this long ass bolt. When I took out this thing, under there. Look what came out. All of this. I mean, this is probably like 2-3 kilos. It's a lot of dirt. That's not good. So that's kind of a weight reduction. I mean, over 20 years of picking up grime, or no, sorry, 18 years of picking up grime and dirt and everything and sand, and no good. Oh yeah, success. Now time to go home and get on some new wheels pretty soon, but I want to see it in the daylight. It's dark outside, so I'll continue this video tomorrow. But all in all, I'm happy. It took me about 5 hours, maybe 6. It took a long time, no joke. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, we are done. The E60 is now lowered, or I don't know, it's slammed. As you see right here, it is quite low. And actually, one mechanic in the workshop actually took some really bad, like green masking tape on the kidney grills, but I took that off, so now we have exposed the M stripes. Even though this is not an M5, I don't know what I feel about this. Is this cool or is it not? I don't really know, but I will most likely paint these kidneys black, so it will match the rest of the car, because I don't know. What do you think? Is it cool? Or is this just wannabe? I mean, is this the same as putting like an M badge on the back when it's not M? I don't know. You tell me. Because I am not a fan of putting an M badge in the back, let me tell you. But anyways, I am super happy. The car is lower, it rides stiffer, and yeah, I think it looks really cool. So now next up is wheels, and actually this is 2 days after the install, and a guy just were here and delivered some wheels to me. So I do have some wheels for this car right now, and I will not show you that until the next video. So stay tuned, and we will get some really cool wheels on the car next, that we will put some winter tires on, because we have to prepare for winter. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe with that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.